Welcome back to my channel. It's Online Earning Ways, your go-to place to learn real, practical ways to make money online. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Today, we are talking about a hot topic: how to make money as a data analyst in 2025. Even if you're not into freelancing. And I'll also introduce you to BinLogix, an innovative IT company that's helping digital professionals grow smarter and faster. First method is sell data templates. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to get started: selling data templates. Many small businesses need dashboards and calculators, but don't have time or skills to build them. You can create templates for Excel, Google Sheets, Power BI, or Notion. Examples: a monthly sales tracker for e-commerce, a restaurant food cost calculator, a customer retention KPI dashboard. Upload these on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own site. You can sell each for $10, $50. And when done right, it becomes passive income. Second method of earning is teach data thinking, not just tools. Now let's go beyond tutorials. Most courses teach how to use Excel or Python. But real money is in teaching how to think like a data analyst. Build a short course or ebook explaining concepts like choosing the right KPIs, how to clean messy data, or how to tell stories with charts. You can sell this through platforms like Teachable, or even simpler, start with email-based lessons using Gumroad. Make money strategy 3. Offer micro data audits. Here's a high-paying service that many ignore: micro data audits. Most small businesses collect data, but they don't know what to do with it. You can offer a service where you review their spreadsheets, clean up messy CRM data, and give a one-page actionable report. Charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per audit, depending on complexity. This is perfect for part-time professionals or beginners wanting real-world experience. Last but not the least, earning method is start a YouTube or Instagram channel. Want to build long-term income? Share your knowledge publicly. Start a YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn channel focusing on data tips, analytics case studies, or dashboard demos. By building an audience, you create trust. And later, you can monetize through sponsored videos, affiliate tools like Tableau, Notion, or Databooks, or even consulting. This is how you go from analyst to influencer. There are other powerful ways to earn too, like licensing niche datasets, offering no-code automation services, building tools with Streamlit. Last one is becoming a data consultant. If you want a separate video explaining these strategies in detail, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to check out the BinLogix, the IT company that powers smart solutions for online earners and tech professionals. They specialize in custom dashboards, automation tools, data services, and digital products. Perfect for analysts, developers, and solopreneurs. If you're looking for support or collaboration, check them out. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Earning Ways for more tips on turning your skills into income. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.